kasi nalaman ko na nilagnat ka. So, yun yung pinaka... so, lahat ng pangarap mo matupad. Pangarap.
Hope na lumaki na yung family nyo. And soon, magkaroon na kayo ng baby.
We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on. We got a beautiful story. And we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. Never felt my heartbeat so wild while the sunshine sets the night on fire.
Alright, once again, ayan, surprise! Happy birthday, Sir Harold!
Beautiful story. Every moment.
Tanungin muna natin ang ating surprise boy. So, Sir Harold, kamusta naman po? Na-surprise naman po ba tayo? Surprise na surprise.
The best is yet to come.
Patlang sa buhay ko na supat ngayong araw.
Siyempre ating Valentine King ang tumalo sa agwapuhan na nag-iisang Daniel Padilla.
Happy birthday, Haro! Happy birthday, Haro! Happy birthday, Haro! Happy birthday, Haro! Happy birthday, Haro!
Welcome, Mr. Haro!
We got a beautiful story. Every moment on it.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And we've
Kalimutan tawagin sa harapan na nagpatikok sa pigang puso ni Sir Harold. Amala, Catherine Bernardes. Please welcome Miss Christina!
best is yet to The best is yet to
Sabi na nila lang. Naniniwala kami sa'yo.
Wish ko lang sana magka-baby na kayo ni Tea.
Thank you very much. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa birthday party ko.